so as you walk in, you've got your air conditioner. A key has to go in here, guys. So put your key, or your room key in there. It will turn the lights on. So here is when you walk in the room. Now this is a category 4C stateroom with a balcony, and it holds 4 to 5 people. I'm sorry, it holds 5 people. The stateroom holds 5 people. There is double bathroom here to the left. There's a closet right here. All of your assembly station is right there. You've got your room safe, shelving, life vests. Okay, plenty of hangers. There's another section. This is your ladder that will go to the top pull down bed that comes out of the ceiling. And this is bathroom number 1. Okay, it's your toilet, your sink. Okay, and then we will go to number 2, which is a full-length mirror. And then you've got your waste basket. You've got all your towels in here. Your sink area. And you've got the H2O beauty, stuff. You've got your lotion here. And then they have their shampoo, conditioner, and body wash is here. You have your clothesline, your retractable clothesline. And this is your shower. This is a round tub in this, so if you had a child, you could give them a bath here. And then we have this room is a door if you had a side-by-side, but we don't. And this room is 299 square feet. You have plenty of room in here. And of course, our Disney Cruise Line pictures. This is a queen size bed. It does not separate. It has a table to the side here that has a lamp, your lights. It's got a European and a American outlet. This side will have the same, along with your telephone and a drawer. Lights. There is plenty of storage area underneath the bed, so you can put your luggage after you've emptied it. This is your sofa. This will pull into a bed. So in the evening, the room steward or stewardess, whoever we have, will come in and they will separate or they will lay out our bed. And this is a pull down. This is a bed up here. So my daughter's going to be up there. They'll have all this out for us at turn down tonight. Flat screen TV. It's a tiny one. It's not very, it's not huge. It does swivel out. You have a privacy curtain here. If you want to separate the rooms, you can undo that, draw it, separate it. This is your refrigerator. And then you have some drawers here, all kinds of drawers. There's 3 drawers here. You have a writer's desk with chair, postcards, some writing material. These are your tags for the door if you want to do breakfast. Okay. There's my waters that I ordered. And our tickets, which are for our port adventures. We are going to rent bikes at Castaway Cay. There's our wave phones. You have 2 phones in the stateroom. You can talk to each other. If you lose these, it's about $200 a piece. So make sure that you charge it and don't lose it. You have all of your outlets up here. You have a hair dryer, which I didn't see the hair dryer yet. It's probably over here. There it is. Okay, there's 2 more drawers. There's another cabinet. You've got your glasses, your ice container here. More shelving. Okay, and then this is a Murphy bed. This will be for number 5 person. So it's 2 on the bed, 1, 1, 1. So that's 5 people. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the balcony. And it's a good sized balcony. Just got to pull this down. And then you've got your balcony. Yeah, so this is our room, and I do have to say, folks, this is the largest of the staterooms. Well, there is larger staterooms, but those are the you know, like their presidential suite. I don't know what they call them, but they're bigger suites. But of the regular staterooms, balcony staterooms, this is the largest one that they have that sleeps 5. And it's very roomy. So, and that wraps up room number 7120, and it's a category 4C balcony on board the Disney Dream.